Umengameli wakuleli uCyril Ramaphosa uhalalisele izwe laseLesotho ngeminyaka engama-58 lazimela kanye neminyaka engama-200 yokubunjwa kwesizwe sabeSuthu.
I convey the well wishes of the people of South Africa to His Majesty and the people of Lesotho on the 58th anniversary of the independence and the bicentennial of the founding of this great nation in 1824.
Umengameli ubonge iLesotho ngamagalelo ayo ngesikhathi sokulwisana nohulumeni wobandlululo eNingizimu Afrika.
Against enormous odds and at great risk and cost, the people of Lesotho extended a hand of friendship and solidarity to South Africans. They offered refuge to our freedom fighters. As Basotho, you stood with our people, even as the brutal apartheid armed forces crossed the border to come and kill and maim Basotho. We mourn the many Basotho who lost their lives alongside those of their South African sisters and brothers.
Umengameli uRamaphosa uphinde wabonga iLesotho ngeqhaza elibambile emnothweni waseNingizimu Afrika.